So today we're going to learn how to create free website using only Canva. You can implement it straight away. You can use it for free or you can use your own domain. So for that to work, you have to have Canva. You can use either free product. As you can see, you have some free templates here. If it says Pro, it's for paying users, and if it's you don't see Crown on the template, you can use it for free. So like this one is for free and so on. So let's begin. Let's choose the template for our website. So first thing you want to do, you want to press templates, and in the search bar you want to press web page, website homepage, website page, login page, and you can choose from templates. So first one, we're going to create a page. So I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to do and modify. You don't have to know anything about programming and stuff like that. So a lot of question arises, should I build a website? So if the social media gathers information. So yeah, social media is designed to attract people, attention, see your brand, see your offers and stuff like that. So for example, you want to create website to collect emails, some information, make some special offers, or just to insert some CTA, call to action buttons. So let's begin. So first thing you want to do, like I told you, you go to the website page, you press, let's select this one, let's select this one, and customize this template. So now you have one page. You can add a lot of more pages. As you can see, it's scroll down page. So as you can see, you can edit everything really simple and easy. So if you want to learn to edit more stuff, I uploaded some videos, but I can show you a simple way. So as you can see, you can scroll it, move it, resize it, everything as you like. So I want to align this one, and we're gonna delete this one, go to elements, and let's say we are creating some firm, and we want to decoration templates and stuff. So let's type in decorations. As you can see, a lot of to choose from graphics, photos, frames, even videos. You can insert even videos in your web page. So for example, let's use this one for decorations. Let's resize it a little bit, insert it here. So now it's on your page. You can always press preview. As you can see, your page gonna look like this. You can customize all the buttons here. So for example, we wanna make a CTA here. So what we're gonna do, we press learn more and we link it, and you can insert your link to the YouTube, to your funnel, or anything else you like. So as you can see, it's really easy to create a page like that. You can edit it, you can add more pages to it, and you can publish it. So the publishing part is really simple and easy to do. So what you want to do, you're going to go to up, press publish, and as you can see, you can publish it. So you can insert your custom website URL, or you can use Canva free one. So publish settings, let's describe the business, so decoration, etc. Business card, and you can press publish, and Canva automatically creates that web page for you. So my page is gonna be toolbox, tutorials, my Canva site, website. So I can copy, paste it, and so on. So another thing what you can do, you can also resize for on mobile. So it includes mobile pages, include navigation buttons, and you can use advanced settings. So you can add password protection. So if you want to share with the people, not a lot of your personal people or just your clients, you press password protected, and only with passwords they can go to your website. You can hide it from search engine, so Google don't detect it. So only it's for clients, and nobody else can find the page on the Google if they search for it. And you can link preview is disabled. So if you press this one, it disable this one. If you enable it, it shows when the people copy the link, it's gonna show them the main page. So it's really useful for social media, for Facebook, Instagram, and so on, and Twitter. You can post it and it's already showing up not all text for your website, but all the thumbnail. So you can also unpublish website. we can press on publish website and it automatically deletes the page, and you create new one, blank one, and so on. So I hope you learned something, and I hope I help you to create website. Later on I'm gonna create more detailed video about how to do it. If you like it, press like. If you have some comments, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.